Greetings to all my Jamaican brothers and sisters. Wherever you are, greetings. The Spot's coming to you again with another talk. And today we'll continue upon the topic of police and policing. So this is episode 3. So, the journey continue. And remember, me always say nothing left back, everything they talk about. So, we talk about the whole idea of the police and, the one them were no good, the dirty one them. No discipline, no rule, no respect, no harder. Them just not have it. And listen, Mr. Officer, you see when time you put on the uniform, you they represent the country. Please, sir, act accordingly. Once you're in the uniform, show some respect, discipline. And them there's something that we want from you. We don't do that for many years. It's at 2026. It's about time we change up behavior now. We tear that. So, in episode 2, my idea and solution was, the police need to have community policing. And what we don't talk about now is the police need to have school visits. We don't need to visit the school them. It should happen. And the school visit from the police should be in the curriculum. Not just having community policing, but school visit. And the school visit must start from elementary all the way up to high school. It needs to happen. It will make a big difference. Because it should be once a month. Once a month. Every school in Jamaica. Every corner of Jamaica. Because every parish have police station. And some parish have more than 4 police stations. So that can be done. All needed is for it to be added in the curriculum. And, the visit be, as me say, once a month, we're not going to give a talk to the kids them, a 20 to 30 minutes talk. It's like an assembly where everybody get up, go in a one room, whether it's the auditorium, whatever way you can set up, but to not go to the school, go have a talk with the pitney them. Make them see on your face, make them see on a human being. You no killer, because them they grew up with this idea say you a killer and they afraid of you. So you need to make them know say them not have afraid of you. You just regular human being. So you have to go work on that, man. Work on that. Me calling up on the Ministry of Education. Add that to the curriculum, please. Add it to the curriculum, because if you guys do this, I want to give it a 9 month. That's the big difference, because learning start from in the belly. But since nobody can do that with the pity them, we they start from the elementary school. And that is gonna make a great difference. Give it a chance. 9 months. I want to see the big change. Me guarantee that. But the Ministry of Education have to step into this and get in touch with the police department and a sound how they work on it. Simple thing, hard to do, because we need some discipline back in the country. And we can't have the people who supposed to have the discipline, themselves not have none. So we they grow up and a whole heap of generation, 1, 2, 3 generation, they miss out on this. The old time Jamaica and the respect that kids and everybody have, and people in offices, high places would have respect, and the one them where they depend upon to have it. Who no police, a whole heap of who no have it. So we want to make the whole part changes. Yeah man, we have to go do that. It can be done. It's easy. Hard to do. When we go to school and the children soon say, oh my God, it looks so different. Because when you go into the community, them go in there without any form of respect. And so The little up to the lip in them sister will not behave good. But when you go to the school and you have to speak to them and things like that, things will change, man. The whole heap of changes needed to be done, man. Whole heap of changes. Whole heap of changes. And it is so awful. It is so awful to know that up to the kids them have to so know as killer. And that's not what it's all about. Them need to see you guys that you're just normal people. When you go to the school and visit and you have your talk, your monthly talk, those kids are gonna go home and then they'll tell them parents about it and say, Mama, police come to school today, and then talk about discipline and so. Then we all tell them parents say sometimes them rude sometime and things like that. So no go and do that, man. No show no power through a gun. Because when you have your gun and they think that your power, it doesn't make you powerful. It simply don't make you powerful. No hide behind it. And because you have that, you want everybody afraid of you, you think that's your power. No, boss, that ain't no power. That ain't no power. Me remember something happened to me and my brother. And it's many years ago. And we were walking down the street. At the time, my brother 19 and me at 21. And, you know, him tall and him just properly, you know, him shirt in him pants and all of that. And we walk and we see some man that work on one building and then they're on the top of the roof. And the man them they cause a ton load of bad word, nasty, dirty bad word at each other. Them they work, you know, them are construction worker, builder. And then they cuss and they gallant bad. And one of them just look and see my brother and say to the other, hey, see Mr. Officer there, see Mr. Officer there. Cut it down now. No, man, no. Tap, Mr. Officer. And everybody stop cuss bad word. And when we walk and get closer to them, one of them said to my brother, Officer, sorry, sir. Sorry, that man they give me some trouble, yeah, man. Man they give me some trouble and him salute. You know, raise his hand and make. But brother just walk up back here and you know, acknowledge, you know, what him said to him. And when we walk away, out of sight, we start to laugh. We laugh because this is a 19-year-old kid. And the man, them when they cuss and galant bad. All of them what did they? Couldn't have been papa. But you know what that was all about? It's the way he carried himself. It's the way they saw him. Him look respectable. And this is what uno dirty police now do. Uno now carry yourself right. And uno now show up with respect. And that's why people have to talk about uno so bad. And remember, I know the whole of uno, you know. But a whole heap of uno no have no respect. And uno not showing up in the proper way. Uno not show no respect, no discipline, nothing. The rules them uno have no own rules and uno own order. And uno need to tappy. Tappy, your gun no make you powerful. Uno need to stop that. Show up in the proper way. Because the thing about it, you know, it sounds so bad. When people have to turn up and road, they chat about, you know, and man, we all say, oh, that the police boy, me give money all the time, man. Him begging, all the while me give money. Me they tell us that sound bad, low, shameful. That should not happen. Me not even know when for we people them get so loose and lego, we police them. I when since you no get so loose and lego, boss. Listen, man, the behavior one no have, no shouldn't even chat to nobody a yard or no yard like that. So when you come out on the road in your uniform, show respect to your uniform, boss. Show respect to your uniform. Represent us well. And remember, me tell you now, social media there in every inch. And when you turn up, sit down or whatever. And want to say everything gone all over the world. So remember that. And if you tap beggy. Because if you listen to man the pan street, they call uno name and say that they want them they give money all the time. It sound bad. Because the person who was saying they give no money all the time, you know. No have no job. That is so funny. They don't have no job and you have job and you then yam them out. My God. That sounds so bad. It sounds so bad. And me there see some other little guy was say them a soldier. And after seeing them and that, me realize say boy things really gone bad in Jamaica, you know. It's bad. Me remember back in the days when you see one soldier jeep come past you. You know what you do if you stand up at attention, salute or what. It's like just seeing them in the tank or the jeep. It's like, whoa, you're afraid. You immediately say some form of respect for sure. And now nobody not really care. I mean, you used to see soldier, you never have know if them could open them up because them never make noise, them never talk, them not smile. At the same time, they never have screw face. And if you see them in them uniform, you know say you see respect right there. So you see discipline and order. But uno police, uno too common and loose. Too common and loose and disrespectful. Uno nah do no job right. Nah do no job right. It is no. Uno have to do better than that. Uno have to do better than that. Because it no look good and it no sound good. As simple as that. So uno have to make a whole heap of change. Whole heap of changes have to be made, man. Uno can't the galan said we the galan with whole heap of disrespect over and nothing happen. No, sir. Things have to change, man. A whole heap of things have to change. It has to change. It can't continue like that. Because if it continue like that, that means to every time we take on a new group of police, the discipline go down worse because who did they want to teach them? They not see it. So the new one, them start at a level that is very low. And so it just continue until we become nothing. And it just become a stage where you don't know the difference between the gunman and the police. Simple as that. And for no, so the soldier them they take on the same behavior, make it even worse. There's another thing what me not even get. Is that politician in some dirtiness with police and soldier. They give bribe to police and soldier. And that is very low. Low. And police officer and soldier. Not to take bribe from them, man. Not to take no bribe from them. Them they do them job. And them choose to be councillor, senator, whatever. Nobody in government shouldn't they bribe no police or no soldier. Be it a councillor, a senator, the prime minister, the opposition leader, you could regular councillor in your era, you know supposed to happen. And when you see them come round and they don't give no money or any farmer bribe and tell no bullshit, say look here. No, we're not going to do that. We're not going to accept no bribe from you. We're not going to do that. Please, not try that again because if you do it, I'm going to report you. As simple as that, you're not supposed to do. I know if you hold up the law, higher. But instead of that, every little nastiness you tie up in. Just as how the gunman them have in them pocket. I saw some of the politicians have in them pocket. Shameful, low. I mean, how low can all of go? Lord Jesus Christ, uno just me no get it. Me try to figure it out. When did we get this law? When did the police them get this law? We don't have to behave like that higher. There's other ways and means. You don't have a job and they work, you don't need to take bribe. When a local citizen can get up and take money from a politician, that is different than what they represent in a country. They wear uniform. No policeman of a line up with no goddamn politician and them sitting there. Uno must just perform in a regular job. Not take no bribe from them. Why of all the sectors in Jamaica, the police is the one what is the most licky always they take money. You know, if you go do no work the regular way higher. You know, if they beg. You know, name law enforcers. Shame. Pahala, you know. And they bring the country down. All the way down. You know, need some serious punishment. You know, behavior bad. Bad. You know, have no self-respect at all. You need to tappy. You need to tappy. Can't continue like this. You simply can't continue like that. I mean, come on, man. If you're there in your yard, you're not going to behave like that. So you go to the road and they behave them the kind of way. You put on your uniform, boss, act accordingly, and tap shame with. Now, not to mention, when you think of place like Montego Bay, where tourist area, when a police know all the big pan road, it's shameful. Terrible, man. When you cut that shit out, then the behavior they need to be done with. That it is no joke. It no look good. I mean, how many years do continue to do this? Mr. Commissioner, rein in your boy them. Them need discipline. Them need monthly meeting for some form of training. For stop beg, stop being licky. I remember now, you know, I know all of them can so. But you have to do something about it because it not get better. The police should not be seen they behave in a certain way like a regular citizen. No, sir. The police should not own a gunman. No go so. A police should not be friendly with a gunman. That shouldn't be his best friend. A police should not have to making second job be collecting money from a gunman. That no look good either. That no look good. We no fix that up. Fix it up, man. Clean up the country with that. Because, as me say, to every new group of giant, you know, get better, I get worse. So again, Mr. Commissioner, rein in your boy them. Rein them in. You can't just have them the galan, they grow and they beg and they act like them a dirty nigga. Come on, man. Them have regular meeting with them. Monthly meeting. And who is in charge of some of them know so the boy them not behave good. And they not do nothing about it. Because maybe someone afraid of them because you don't know so them are them own a gunman. You don't know yourself, you don't know who me they chat. You don't know yourself. And me the whole of you they listen. Listen. And member say. The people no work for you no work for the people. So when you grown them, you no show respect. Stop call elderly man, you no pull over. Bossy. What sir? No, Mr. Sir. And stop call woman dirty girl and dirty boy. You no need to cut that out. Bad behavior. Nah, take you nowhere. Need whole heap of change. Things have to change. So as me say, my idea and solution is school visits. Monthly. Every month it must be added in the curriculum for the children. You do all grades from kindergarten right up to high school. You know, have meeting. Deal with them, talk about respect and manners, rules, discipline. Add that to it. I want to give that a 9-month trial. You know, see the difference how Jamaica turn round. Turn round good that you know now go believe say at the country. So, Mr. Commissioner, whether you need to deal with the Ministry of Education or whatever department, I don't know, but you know get something going. That is my idea and solution. Me always tell you, so me throw it out, you know, grab it, run with it, try. It's all up to you. I'm looking forward to get a whole heap of comments from you. And listen, the negative one them, now go bother me. So, with that being said, wow, good. Take care of yourself. My spots out.